Well, we are waiting for the latest about the speakership. The Right Honorable Bua wrote to His Excellency the President about the need for expression of interest and even set timeline, 18th and 19th, when we should actually have flag bearers for the party for onward transmission to CEC. And then CEC will endorse or not endorse, but endorse and then forward to the caucus. We're waiting for that process. The letter of Obua was written to His Excellency the President, who is also the chairman of NRM. And the answer he gives us, who only got copies of that letter, the answer the chairman gives us is what will guide our processes. If he gives us guidance that don't go for expression of interest, we shall not go. But I also want to caution NRM people, don't use every opportunity to abuse a process. Don't use every opportunity called for expression of interest for all Tom, Dick and Harry to pick papers and rush and crowd us here. At times, also look at reality that I'm a new member of parliament. I'm an old member of parliament, but can I manage the storm? Can I manage do I have the capability? Do I have the mantle? Did God give me the strength to withstand some of the forces that come against the speaker? Well, I've not seen the tweet by Right Honorable Anita, but if she has said she's stepping down on out of the process, then it sets a new process. It sets the ground for a new process, because she was the one CEC had endorsed. Now, if she has moved, she has plainly said she's not going to participate. She has withdrawn her candidature, which is her right. Then we have nothing to do. The choice is now on the party to actually get a roadmap. The party chairman will guide us on the roadmap, and if the roadmap involves expression of interest, the chairman and electoral commission will call for that. If it does not involve calling for expression of interest, we shall leave it. But the roadmap now sets the ground that there is no candidate. I don't know whether the Right Honorable Taibu has also said he's not participating. He has also not written. I've not got the letters here. But if I get their letters here, it means, I don't know which guidance, but I think my legal guidance which I was given is that the process starts afresh with the expression of interest. But then the party can also say, we actually don't want to open up. Maybe the party can say we have identified this or the other, and we cannot open up to everybody. But that's now the matter beyond me as the chairman of the electoral commission. PLU is a pressure group within NRM, and I don't see any problem with the PLU laying pressure on NRM as a party. And if the pressure they lay yields positive results, you credit them. If the pressure does not yield positive results, it calls for positive criticism, so that you balance up where did you go overboard. But that PLU has taken over, no. The president of Uganda, who is a flag bearer of NRM, is Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. It's not PLU. Is a chairman of NRM as a party, a founding chairman of NRM as a party, a Fronasa, a Sabalwanyi. He has done everything and he has brought NRM on board. If you find the 372 members of parliament who subscribed to NRM, they went through primaries. Primaries, we had over 5,000 candidates. 372 made it. 187 said elections were not free and fair. They went as independents. Only 42 came back. So NRM dominates the House and can pass any bill into law using NRM majority without even the 42 NRM leaning. So NRM controls the House. PLU has members within NRM because it's a pressure group. But saying General Muhoozi has taken over, I've been reading that. CDF has taken over the country. CDF is in control, total control of the army, under the guidance of the president. And I see him doing his work very well. If he's the chairman of PLU as a pressure group and you think it is not legal, you go to court. But me as chairman electoral commission of the party, I have no problem with it. PLU as a pressure group suggested that we as PLU, I saw that letter, have withdrawn support from this and we shall give you our candidates. And that is their mandate. That is within their right as citizens. About how we shall elect Oboth-Oboth or other person, we are waiting for expression of interest. Once we express in interest and Oboth-Oboth is alone, we shall send Oboth-Oboth alone. Because he's a member of NRM anyway. He has been a member of NRM since, and is still a member of NRM. Thank you.